Do you have the first generation Starlink system, the round dishy with the router that came with it? Well, if you do, you can get a free upgrade, not to the dishy, but to the router from Starlink. Details after the break. Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and today we've got an update for you about Starlink, and this is specifically for customers who bought the original Gen 1 Starlink system. This is the system that has the round dish that's on the motorized stock, and it came with a router that was used with the dishy. Well, that is a very old dish and a very old router at this point, and what Starlink is doing is that they are going to stop providing software updates to the router that came with that first generation round dish. So that means it's an end-of-life product. Now they don't want to leave Starlink users hanging, so they're having an offer where if you have one of these first generation systems with that first generation router, that you can get an upgrade to the Router Mini, and Starlink will send you one for free. Now this just applies to the router. The round dish is not end of life. It's obviously retired and not sold anymore, but it still works just fine. It's just the router portion of the kit that is considered end of life and won't get any more software updates. So if you have and are using the Starlink Gen 1 system with the Gen 1 router currently, chances are you've already received an email from Starlink with a link that has the details and the ability to get that router replacement. Now, if you're one of the customers that perhaps doesn't use the Starlink router anymore with your dish, for example, if you have a third-party router or you haven't used your Starlink for quite a while, to get this email so that you can get a new Router Mini replacement, you need to connect your Starlink as well as the old router so it can connect to the Starlink network. The Starlink network will see that you have the old router, and then it will send your account the email so that you can get that upgrade. Of course, if you're not using this Starlink router for your routing, if you're using a third-party router like a Peplink router or something else, and you're not interested in getting the Starlink Mini router, then you can just keep using what you're using and everything will work fine. So again, the reason Starlink is doing this is because they're stopping updates on this first generation router, and that includes security updates. So the router will still work, but if there are security vulnerabilities that are found in the future, they will not be patched by Starlink. So if you do use this first generation router, you should get a different router, either the free Router Mini from Starlink or a third-party router. Now the Router Mini does offer several advantages over the first generation router. It's a more advanced router, it's a smaller size, it supports Wi-Fi 6 instead of Wi-Fi 5. So all in all, it's a better router, and it's going to be a straight upgrade over the first generation router. So we do have details in the attached story, and there's also a link to a Starlink help article which gives further details if you are interested in more information about that. So check out the link below for more information on that. But for right now, that does it for today. We appreciate you watching. Stay connected, and we'll see you next time.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.